Apple registers 3 new Macs in Eurasian database ahead of a rumored March event. Unbelievable. Almost March here. You know what happens in March, Will?
What's that?
The spring happens in March.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the first day of spring, it's in March.
Oh, okay.
I know you're looking forward to the changing seasons and such.
Yeah, I like that.
Well, Apple likes to utilize these seasons in order to sell its products. Well, they got an event coming up in March. That's a rumor here, I guess. And in advance of that, we have the new models A2615, A2686, and A2681. One of these models is described as a laptop. Only one. Interesting. A couple of weeks ago, we also saw the Eurasian database register iPhone and iPad models, likely signaling the forthcoming unveiling of a new iPhone SE with 5G support and a spec-bumped iPad Air. It's funny they say the Eurasia database. That's Europe and Asia together, Will.
Really?
And it reminds me, I feel like I'm playing Risk or something. You know, like I don't really hear terms like that. Feels kind of out of date or something. What region? Over in Eurasia. It's like, that's really big place. You got the same
Can you
database.
be more specific?
You got the same database for all of you. You know, there's only one country in the world. Spans more than one continent. Or at least kind of touches on both. That's Russia, Will.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you got Europe in the west and you got Asia in the east. Just think it through, Will. I don't know.
Geography lesson here with Lou. Jeez.
Oh, my God. I don't know if you ask people in Russia what the continent they're in. It probably depends on which city they're in to a certain extent. And there's trade that happens on both sides of it. It's a big country. You know another big country, Will?
What's that?
Yeah, you're sitting in it right now. You go out and explore. You're in Canada,
Okay,
right?
well, yeah.
I
will.
A lot of it's frozen, but a lot of it's beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, so Apple products usually appear in the Eurasian database 1 to 3 months before release, so this timing makes sense. However, there's no guarantee, and sometimes model identifiers have been published for almost a year before materializing as a product. I mean, what could it be? A new MacBook Air, I guess? Yeah, that's what they're saying. We don't have a redesign of a MacBook Air. We could also see the unveiling of a high-end Mac Mini or possibly an iMac Pro or an Apple Silicon Mac Pro, which is the one Will Do wants and doesn't even need, but just wants to see it.
Yeah, I want to.
Okay.
Just want to hold it.
Whatever you need, dude.